Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Oswald Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is Madhya prediction of January 2025 from 14th January 2025 till 14th February 2025. In this video, we talked about all the circuit. But let's list this among the major astrological events occur in the month of February. Jupiter is about to turn into its direct motion on 5th of February 2025, which was severely moving in its retrograde motion from 9th October 2024. First of all, we will talk about Aries ascendant. For all the Aries ascendant, people Sun controls your first house, and right now Sun is transiting from your 10,000 the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from the sign of Sagittarius to sign of Capricorn around 14th of January and will stay into your 10th house till 13th of February 2025. Sun controls your fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, etc. etc. So when your fifth house lord will be transiting from your 10th house will be your work environment, your superiors, your elders, your how much authority you will have in your life, etc. etc. Fifth house Lord will transiting from your 10th house. We can expect you will have great result. Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house. And right now, Mercury is transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will move from your ninth house to 10th house in the sign of Capricorn around 24th or 5th of January and will stay into your 10th house till 12th of February. After 12th of February, Mercury will move from your 10th house to 11th on the sign of it. Major portion of this time period, Mercury will be staying in your 10th house and Mercury will be in this combust position during this time period. So, you need to be take care of your communication related matter. Your cousins, neighbors, you get together. You may have some verbal argument with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc. etc. So you need to be control on that matter. Mercury also controls your sixth house with your court case litigation argument, your Indian enemies. And Ketu is already looking from your sixth house. So we can expect you will have victory over your enemy during this time. The presence of Ketu into your sixth house. Because malefic tide perform very well in the malefic houses. 6, 8, and 12th are considered as malefic houses in astrology. Venus controls your second house and your seventh house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Venus will escape to 11th house till 27th of January. After 27th of January, Venus will move into its exalted position in the sign of Pisces into your 12th house. So, second house will be your family, your speech, your food intake habit are seen from second house, your early upbringing, your food, your mouth region is also seen from second house. With your 11th house and with your legal binding, your animal ethics, your spouse, your marriage, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others, obviously from seventh house. So, Lord of these two houses are transiting from your 11th house will be your games, your income games, your financial game, your accumulation of value seen from 11th house, your gain, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes is obviously from 11th house. So, till Venus, till 27th of January, Venus something from your 11th house, we can expect you will have great result regarding your money related matter and your marriage related matter. If you are not married right now or you're looking for a partner, then we can expect you will have good proposal during this time period and you will have good opportunities if you are men during this time period till 27th of January 2025. After 27th of January, if you when you move from your 11th house to 12th house, if you want to move from your birth, this is from different country, then we can expect you will have great opportunities during this time period after 27th of January because your second house will be transferring from your parent house from foreign and from 12th house we see foreign lands. So your second house lord will be transferring from your 12th house. So we can expect you may have the opportunities to earn from foreign land or some foreign sources during this time period. Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for you people, and Mars is right now culminating its retrograde, which I've discussed previously in last month prediction video. So Mars is still moving its retrograde motion till 23rd of February 2025. And Mars is right now moving to get push in the sign of Cancer. Means Mars is right now present in its debilitated state. 21st of January, Mars is moving in its debilitated state in the sign of Cancer. After 21st of January, Mars will move from the sign of Cancer to the sign of Gemini, backward motion, because Mars is moving in its retrograde motion. And around 23rd of February, Mars come back to jazz. And around 23rd of February 2025, Mars come back to its direct motion, the side of Gemini. So you have to be very careful regarding your health, regarding your all the matters of your life, because your ascended Lord is right now moving to gain motion. Also, it is stability side till 21st of January. So till 21st of January, you need to be very careful regarding all the matters of your life, whatever you are dealing. After 21st of January, when Mars will move from its stability state to the side of Gemini, and then we can expect you will have some reasonable result regarding your ascendant or regarding your health, regarding your all the approaching into your life. Because whenever ascendant Lord is moving its KTD state, we can expect you who need to be very careful regarding your health treatment. You need to avoid conflict with other people during this time period, and you need to stay focused regarding your health and all the better to your life. Also, Jupiter is about to turn into its direct motion into its second house, which was previously moving its retrograde motion from 9th of October 2024. Around 5th of February, Jupiter come back to its direct motion into its second house in the sign of Taurus, in the sign of Taurus. So this position will consider very beneficial for you people. After 5th of February, we can expect you will accumulate a lot of good result regarding your family, regarding your money and your speech related matters. So we can expect these results for all the A's and people from 14th of January 2025 till 14th of February 2025. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus ascendant people, sector draws your 4th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your 9th house on the sign of Capricorn. Sadix just moved from your 8th house to your 9th house around 14th of January and will stay to your 9th house till 13th February 2025. 4th house will be your hope, 4th house will be your hope, your property, your vehicles, comfort in life, your weather relationship, etc. So your 4th house notice that be from your 9th house will be your long distance travel, your higher education, your poor education, your pilgrimages, your rules and regulation, etc. So till your 4th Lord is suffering from your 9th house, you can expect if you want to go to some pilgrimages, you can expect there will be a good result for you people regarding your travel related matter. If you want to, if you are into some higher education, then we can also expect you will get good result regarding your education related matter. On this step, Mercury will move from your 8th house to your 9th house around 24th of January 2025. And from your 9th house to 10th house around 12th of February 2025. So major portion of this time frame Mercury will stay into your 9th house, the sign of Capricorn. So your second house, 5th house Lord. Second house will be the speech, your food intake habit, your money matter, your saving, your bank account, etc. All the matters related to your family feel from second house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your early education, your college level education, your mental ability, your parent, your abilities, etc. etc. So your second house and 5th house Lord is standing from your 9th house during this time. Okay, so we can expect you will have great result regarding your education, which is better regarding your children's better because 9th house we also see your love, your fortune you see from 9th house country as a good housing astrology. Your second house, your family matters, your money matters will also be going good during this time period. Your children's matter will be stable during this time period if you have children. If you have any love relationship, then you need to be very careful regarding your love relationship because Ketu is transiting from your 5th house. And Mercury is taking Ketu energy into your 9th house along with Sun. So Mercury will be in a compass position during this time period because Mercury says both the planets are moving into your 9th house during this time period. So you have to be very careful regarding your girlfriend, boyfriend related matter. If you have a, so you have to be very careful regarding your education related matter because your mental abilities may not support you till Ketu is moved transiting from your fifth house. You may be lacking into your mental abilities during this time in the presence of Ketu at your fifth house. Venus controls your ascendant. Venus is very important planet for you people because Venus is your ascendant lord. It also controls your sixth house. And right now, Venus is starting from your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. Venus will stay into your 10th house till 27th of January. After 27th of January, Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Pisces. Means Venus will be favorite after 27th of January to its exalted position. With your ascendant lord, you'll be moving its this favorable side into your 11th house after 27th of January 2025. So after 27th of January, we can expect you will have great opportunity into your life regarding the work treatment. You will have great opportunities. Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now, Mars is starting from your third house in the sign of Cancer. Mars is moving its duplicated stick in X. So, as we discussed in our previous video, Mars is right now moving its retrograde position till 23rd of February. Mars right now moving its retrograde position and still in its duplicated. After 21st of January, Mars will move from the side of Cancer to side of Gemini because Mars is moving its retrograde position. And after 21st of January, Mars will come out as duplicated state. So after 21st of January, we can expect you will have dear result regarding your expenses, your losses, your isolation visit pattern, and your fourth settlement period. Because 12th house, Mars controls your 12th house. And from your 12th house, we also see your expenses and your losses. Mars also controls your 7th house. So your 11th house will be your marriage, your spouse, your legal bindings, your aggravated things, your how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you meet others. All of these things are came from 7th house. So your 7th house Lord is right movie is immediately state. So you have to be very careful till 21st of January when you're dealing with your registration matter or your girlfriend boyfriend related matter. With relationship in journal are seen from 7th house. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus related people from 14th of January 2025 till 14th of February 2025. Now let's talk about Gemini ascendant. For all the Gemini ascendant, the sun controls your third house, and right now sun is starting from your eighth house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from your seventh house to your eighth house around 14th of January, and will stay into your eighth house around 13th of February 2025. So, Sun controls your part of individual communication, your younger brother, sister, your efforts, your courage, etc. Your third house lord is targeted from your eighth house. We can expect you would need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter because there are chances you may indebted to some argumentative communication due to presence of your third house or your eighth house. Also, there are chances your secrets during this time may come out. So you need to be very careful regarding your secret matter because sun and right are talking from your eighth house, and whenever sun is moving from any house, sun illuminate the significance of that house. Because so there are chances you may leak your get during this time period. So you need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. Means Mercury is very impulsive sign for you people. And right now Mercury is starting from your Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. And right now Mercury is targeting from your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will stay into your seventh house till 20. Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. And right now Mercury is starting from your seventh house. And Mercury about to move from your seventh house to eighth house around 24th or 25th of January, and from your eighth house to your ninth house around 12th of February 2025. So there is very important period for you people because Mercury is your ascendant lord and also controls your fourth house. First, how with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life are seen from first, how your mental perception, your thinking pattern, all of these things are seen from first house. General aspects of life is seen from first house. Fourth house will be your properties, your vehicles, your comfort, your mother's relationship, etc. Your home life is also seen from fourth house. So right now Ketu is starting from your fourth house, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy into your eighth house. Major period of time period till 14th of January till 14th of February. So, till 12th of February, Mercury will be present in your 8th house. So, you need to be very careful regarding your hands related matter, regarding your communication related matter. There are chances because Mercury will be in a compass position. Mercury will be moving too close to Sun during this time period. So, Mercury will be in a compass position. So, you need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter, your general health, your overall aspects of life. There are also chances you may get certain gains during this time because your ascendant lord, because ascendant lord always work into your favor because this is your ascendant. So all of those people who have Gemini ascendant, you may get unexpected gains during this time period because your ascendant lord because your ascendant lord will be targeting from your eighth house of unexpected gains house. So Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house. And right now Venus is starting from your Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house. And right now Venus is starting from your ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. Venus will present in your ninth house till 27th of January 2025. After 27th of January, Venus will be in its exalted position into your 10th house because your 10th house is occupied by Pisces sign, and Venus will be in exalted position because Venus is was Pisces sign considered as the exalted position for Venus, and Venus will be present into your 10th house along with Rahu into your in the sign of Pisces. So there will be a good opportunities for you people regarding foreign land and good gains from foreign land. We can expect good gains from foreign land if you have any connection to foreign land. There will be a very beneficial position. This will prove very beneficial position for your children also because fifth house will be the children. If you have children right now, if you're unmarried, then they can expect you will have great result regarding your mental ability, regarding your fun activity. If you have any girlfriend, boyfriend, then you will spend quality time with them within this time period. And you will there will be also chances you may convert your relationship into marriage during this time period if you have any sincere love relationship. Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now, Mars is starting from your second house in the sign of Cancer. As we discussed previously, Mars is right now moving it to create motion and also present in its duplicated state in the sign of Cancer. Mars will come out from its duplicated state on 21st of January, and Mars will move in backward direction into your ascendant on 21st of January, and Mars will be present in great motion till 23rd of February. So we are talking about or so in this video we are only talking about till 14th of February. So Mars will be in its retrograde portion, but Mars will come out from its debilitated state on 21st of January 2025. So 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional circle, your gains, your incoming gains are seen from 11th house, your elder brothers and sisters, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of wishes also seen from 11th house. 6th house will be your court case, your litigations, your arguments, your fights should be routine in context of your work, your loans, your debt, your people who provide you services are also seen from 6th house. So your 6th house and 11th house not is right now connected from your second house, but in its grade state or also in its to grade portion. So you have to be very careful regarding your savings, regarding your money market during this time. You may expend on unnecessary things because your second house is in a debilitated state. You need to be very careful regarding your expenses during this time period because second house considered as the house of saving, house of money matters, and Mars is placed in debilitated state. So you have to be very careful regarding all of this matter, especially till 21st of January. After 21st of January, we can expect there will be some stability because your 10th house is right now in a strong position. But Mars is present in your house of gains, Lord is present in complicated steps. So you need to be very careful regarding all of this matter till 21st of Jan. After 21st of Jan, when Mars move from your second house to your first house, because Mars is moving into green portion, then with we can expect you will have some stable, but still you have to be very careful regarding your temperament, regarding your aggressiveness, because Mars represents aggression or Mars will be in a retrograde motion till 23rd of February. There are chances you may enter into some unnecessary anger during this time. We need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Geminis and the people from. But after 4th February 2025, Jupiter will come back to its direct position into your 12th house. So we can expect you will get the good result because your 12th house lord will be in its excited position into your 10th house after 27th of January, because Venus will move from your 9th house to 10th house around 27th of January, and Jupiter will come back to its direct position into your 12th house, and Jupiter will in very nicely into your 12th house during this time. So we can expect you will have great result regarding foreign land. If you have any investment in foreign land, we can expect you will get good benefit from that. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people from 14th of January 2025 till 14th of February 2025. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant. For all the Cancer ascendant, this Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is starting from your 7th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from your X house to your 7th house around 14th of January and will stay at your 7th house till 13th February 2025. Second house will be to family, your family history, your savings, your money matter, your bank account. All of these things are seen from second house. So your second house lord is transiting from your 7th house. From seventh house, we see your commitments, your relationship, your spouse, your marriage, your business, etc. Your fame is somehow also seen from seventh house. So, if you're a public figure, then we can expect your fame will increase during this time period because your second house lord will be your seventh house and expecting your first house. Sun will illuminate the significance of your first house. But we should not forget Mars is present in its debilitated state and also in its retrograde motion into your first house. You may get the fame during this time period, you will have good result, but there are chances you may indulge into some anger issues due time to time because Sun and Mars are present in two opposite direction and expecting each other during this time. So there are chances you will be very careful when you're dealing with your marriage related matter, your relationship and where you're dealing with public during this time period. You try to suppress your anger, try to suppress your anger during this time period. You may indulge into some unnecessary anger during this time period due to presence of Mars in its duplicated scale to your first house. Mercury controls your 11th house and your third house, and right now Mercury is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will move from your sixth house to your 7th of around 24th, 25th of January. And from 7th house to your 8th house around 12th of February. So major portion of this time period, Mercury will be present into your 7th house in the sign of Capricorn along the sun, and Mercury will be in its compass position. The 12th house, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house. Mercury controls all your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your foreign related matter, your long-term investment, and also controls your third of your communication. And Mercury will be combust position during this. Mercury will be in its combust position during this time period because Sun and Mercury will be moving too close to each other during the step into your seventh house. Be very careful regarding the marriage matter, regarding your relationships and your public dealings matter during this time period. There are chances you may indulge into unnecessary anger and unnecessary issues during this time period due to presence of house of expenses lord along with your this into your seventh house along with sun and moving too close to sun. Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house. And right now, Venus is serving from your 8th house in the sign of Aquarius. Venus will stay into your 8th house till 27th of January. After 27th of January, Venus will move from the 8th house to 9th house into its exalted position, because Pisces sign considered as exalted sign for Venus. And your 11th house lord will pivot in its exalted position to your 9th house after 27th of January. You can expect gains during this time period if you are into some education related matter, like you are doing some post education, higher education, then we can expect great result for you people. Your teachers, your superior will support you during this time period, and you will also get gains, recognition. Like you are, if you are in job and you are competing with something, then we can expect you will get great opportunities and you will get good gains and may get some promotion, because your 11th house is right now in a strong position. Jupiter is moving into your 11th house, and Jupiter is about to come out from it to great motion on 5th February 2025, and 11th house dot will be in its exalted position after 27th of January. That's why we can expect good result. Your hopes and wishes may fulfill during this time bit after 6th February 2025. We expect these results for all the Cancer ascendant people from 14 January 2025, 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun controls your first house. Sun is to ascendant lord. Means Sun is very important planet for you people. And right now, Sun is starting from your 6th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from your 5th house to your 6th house around 14th of January 2025, and will stay into your 6th house till 13th of February 2025. First house will with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your health, your mental perception, your thinking pattern, all of these things is seen from first house. So your first house lord is right now consulting from your sixth house. This will your court case litigation, your argument, your health, your acute diseases, your loans, your debt. All of these things are seen from sixth house. So malefic pet always perform very well into sixth house. And sun is your ascendant house. So if you're dealing with some confrontation into your life, then we can expect you will be in a win position giving this tab if you're ready with such thing into your life. Mercury controls your 11th house into second house, and right now Mercury is starting from your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will stay in your fifth house till 24th of January. After 24th of January, Mercury will move to from your fifth house to sixth house in the sign of Capricorn, and on 12th of February, Mercury will move from the sixth house to seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. 11th house will be your games, your friend circle, your professional circle, your becoming games, your hopes and wishes, and fulfilling hopes and wishes are seen from 11th house. Your second house will be your family, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your loved ones, all the people, second house and fifth house. So your 11th house and second house lord, right? So your 11,000 second house lord will be transferring from your 6th house major portion of this time year in the sign with along with sun. So Mercury will be in combust position. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with your friend circle, your vicinity circle during this time period, because your sixth house will be in a strong position. But Sun and Mercury moving too close to Sun, so there will be a chance that you may in there into some ego battle with your friend circle and professional circle. You need to be very careful when you're dealing with your friend circle, professional circle, your superiors, etc., especially at your workplace, because 6, 10, and second house always connected to your work related matter and your work environment, all about work is seen from this triangle. So you to be very careful regarding all of this matter. Venus controls your 10th house and your third house, and right now Venus is present in your 7th house in the sign of Aquarius along with Saturn. Venus will stay into your 7th house till 27th of January. After 27th of January, Venus will move from your 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Pisces in its exalted position. Because Pisces sign considered as exalted sign for the Venus. You will get great results regarding your work related matter because 10th house is with your fame, your work, your authority, your position in life, your job related matter, your work related matter. All of these things are seen from 10th house. Your superior, your bosses, how much authority you will have, how far you can go in. All of these things are seen from 10th house. Third house will be the communication, your efforts, your courage, your hobbies, your ideas, your colleagues, your not colleagues, your childhood friends, your cousins, neighbors, all of these things are seen from third house. So your 10,000 third house lord will be in its exalted position after 27th of January into your 8th house. So your 8th house will be in its exalted position in good position. And Rahu is already transiting from your 8th house. We can expect great unexpected gains for you people regarding your work related matter and your authority into your life. If you are some authority, if you are work at the administrator at some place, or you are working, you're in or you are at the authoritative position right now, and we can expect there will be increase into your authority, and you will get some promotion increment as well at your workplace, and you will gain the recognition. If you are some public figure, you will get great fame due to this temperature presence of Jupiter into your 10,000. Also, Jupiter is about to come out from its retrograde motion on 4th February 2025. And right now, Jupiter is developing from your 10th house. That's why after 27th of January, Venus will be in its exalted position, and your 10th house, Jupiter will come out from its retrograde motion. That this position will prove very beneficial for your education, your work related matter, and your achievement in life. Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house. And right now, Mars is moving in its retrograde escape and retrograde motion into your 12th house. So your expenses may maybe your expenses will so maybe your expenses will increase during this time period. Presence of Mars in debilitated state in and it also is to great motion. But after 21st of January, Mars will move from your 12th house to 11th house because Mars is moving its retrograde motion. So after 21st of January, we can expect some relief regarding your expenses and your losses because your expenses are increased during this time period due to presence of March into your 12th house, the house of expenses and losses that you also prevail in this retrograde motion. But after 21st of January, when your 9th house and your 9th house and 4th house lord will move from your 12th house to 11th house, then you will have some relief. But still, you need to be very careful regarding your friend circle, professional circle, because as we discussed previously in Sun and Matri section, both the planets are transiting from your 6th house, and your Alarida will occupy by retrograde Mars. So there are chances you will be into some aggressive communication with your friend circle. You have to be very careful when you're dealing with your friend circle, professional circle. But eventually things will come into your favor. But eventually things will come into your favor because your assignment Lord is right to the from your 6th house. So you can expect these results for all the Leo series people from 14th January 2025 till 14th February 2025. Now let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Sun is right now transiting from your 5th house, and Sun is just moved from your 4th house to 5th house around 14th of January 2025. 5th house, 12th house is with your expenses, your losses, your foreign engagement, etc. So Sun will stay to your 5th house during this time period. 5th house will be your children, your love, relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, all the matters related to your loved ones and your fun activities, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, all of these things are seen from 5th house. So we can expect you will get great result regarding your education matter if you are doing education life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter. because sun will illuminate the significance of your fifth house. Your mental abilities and your planning ability will be very supportive during this typic presence of sun into your fifth house. Mercury right now transiting from your fourth house, and Mercury is about to move from your fourth house to your fifth house on 24th of January. After 24th of January, Mercury will be present into your fifth house, and after 12th of February 2025, Mercury will move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Aquarius. Major time a portion of this time period, Mercury will turn into your fifth house and Mercury will be in combust position. You need to be very careful regarding at your workplace and your health related matter, which should be after 27th of January. After 7th of January, because Mercury will be in a tight conjunction with Sun, will be 7th of January regarding your at your workplace and at your health related matter, because Ketu is already starting from your first house after 30th October for 23. So you have to be very careful regarding your health related matter, regarding your communication, because Mercury generally controls communication will be in a combust position during this time period. There are cases you may engage into some unnecessary communication, unnecessary argument with your children and your loved ones. Venus right now targeting from your sixth house, and after 27th of January 2025, Venus will move from the sixth house to seventh house in the sign of Pisces, and Venus will be in its exalted position. So after 27th of January, if when Venus will come in into its exalted position into seventh house, into your seventh house, and from seventh house Venus will aspect your first house, your ascendant. So Venus will illuminate the significance of your first house, and we can expect some relief from the negativity of Ketu into your first house, where Venus will aspect from the seventh house to your first house, because Venus will be in its exalted position. Also, Jupiter will come out from its retrograde motion on 5th February 2025, and from 9th of Jupiter will also aspect your first house K2, and so that's why we can expect some relief and good result for you people after 5th February, and especially after 27th of January, by Venus will come into its exalted position, and especially after 4th of February when Jupiter will come out from its retrograde motion. Mars is right now present a gate motion into your 11th house, and also present in debilitated state, because Mars is right now traveling from the sign of Cancer, and Cancer I consider a debilitated state for the Mars. Around 21st of January, Mars will move from your 11th house to 10th house, because Mars is right up, still moving in retrograde motion as discussed in previous monthly prediction video, and will stay retrograde till 23rd of February 2025. But after 21st of January, when Mars will come out from its debiltation sign, then we can expect you may have some stability and good result at your workplace, because your 10th house lord will be in combust position, but Mars will give you some support and some ability to manage things at your workplace. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with your co-worker, your superior, your bosses. There are chances you may get some good bad result during this time period. So we can expect these results for all the Virgos and the people from 14 January 2025 till 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about Libra sector. For all the Libra ascending people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now Sun is starting from your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from your 3rd house to 4th house around 14 January 2025, and will stay in your 4th house till 13 February 2025. Sun will give you great result regarding your property, vehicles, and comfort related matter. If you want to renovate your home or buy, if you're looking for buy some new property, some comfort related item, then we can apply. You will definitely be able to buy things during this time period regarding your fourth house matter. Also, this position will also prove very beneficial regarding your travel related matter. If you are looking for some foreign travel, some fruitful journey, then we can also expect great result. For 11th house of gains Lord is right now present in the house of homeland, and Sun create a situation like that you may get the chance to travel from your birth. This is from different country during this step if you're looking for some travel. Mercury vacant property from your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will present into your third house till 24th of January. After 24th of January, Mercury will move from your third house to your fourth house. And after 12th February 2025, Mercury will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Aquarius. So major time in major portion of this time period, Mercury will be present into your fourth house with the sign of Capricorn. Although Mercury will be in a compass position, still we can expect some good result for your business because your 12th house and your ninth house give you support regarding your 12th house K2 because your 12th house is occupied by K2 after 30th October 2023 and we discussed previously in the Ketu video. But still, we can expect some good result due to presence of Mercury along with Sun into your fourth house, and also Jupiter is about to come out from its retrograde motion. So from 8th house, Jupiter will also expect your 12th house K2. That's why we can expect some good result for you people. Is they still Mercury being in a compass position. So we can expect good result for your home, property, vehicles, and comfort also if for your travel basic matter. Venus so is your ascendant or Venus is very important planet for you people. And right now Venus is starting from your fifth house in the sign of Aquarius along with Saturn. Venus will move from your fifth house to your sixth house in its exalted position in the sign of Pisces around 27th of January. So after 27th of January, we can expect great result for your gains, for your court case, litigation, argument, your confrontation, your hidden enemy will be suppressed during this time. You will get the victory regarding your enemies. Also, some unexpected gains we can expect for you people or all the Libra ascendant. So there will be a lot of opportunities. There will be good support for it. There will be good support from Venus for you people for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of during this time period from 14th February to 5. Mars is right now moving its duplication sign and also moving its to create motion as previously in last projection video. But after 21st of January, Mars will come out from its debilitation sign and move from your 10th up to your 9th house in the sign of Gemini. So after 21st of January, we can expect some relief from the debilitation, the negativity of Mars, and also Mars moving retrograde motion till 23rd of February. So in this video, we are only talking about till 1425. So we can expect you will get some relief, but still you need to be very careful regarding your relationship and your marriage related matter because Mars will bring retrograde motion rest. We can expect great result for you people, especially after 4th February 2025, and Jupiter will come out from its retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Libras and Libras from 14 January 2025 till 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about the Scorpio ascendant. For all the Scorpio ascendant, the Sun is right now operating from your third house in the sign of Capricorn, and Sun controls your 10th house. Sun is also considered very important planet for you people because Sun controls your authority, your fame, your work, your matter. All the major significance of your lives is controlled by Sun because 10th house is your fame, your recognition. How people know you see from 10th house, and 10th house Lord is right now coming from your third house, and Sun will stay in your third house till 13th February 2025. We can expect you will put great effort into your work, whatever you are doing. You will get great benefit from your friend circle and your relative, your childhood friends. Also, you will be very courageous during this time period because third house, see, from third house, you correct your hair, your skills will be flourished during this time. Whatever you are doing, like whatever work you are doing, whatever job you are doing, you will be performing very good effort and you will also get the revenue of that effort because Sun is right now moving in the science Capricorn into your third house. Mercury is right now moving from your second house to the science Sagittarius. Mercury will move from your second house to your third house around 24th of January and around 12th of February 2025, Mercury will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Aquarius. So major portion of this time period, Mercury will be present in your third house along with Sun. and Mercury will be in its combust position. And Mercury controls your gains, your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder brother and sister, your hopes and wishes. So regarding all of these matters, you have to be very careful because there are chances you may face some type of loss, some type of regret regarding these matters because Mercury will be in a compass position also Ketu is connecting from your 11th house. Venus is right now connected from your 4th house and Venus is right now present in the sign of Aquarius along with Saturn. Venus's position of Venus will be considered very beneficial for you right. The Venus will stay in your 4th house till 27th of January. After 27th of January, Venus will be in its exalted position, exalted sign into your 5th house, along with Rahu in the sign of Pisces. Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house will be your relationship, your marriage related matter. Also seek from 7th house. Your 12th house is with your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your long-term investment. So your public image is also seen from 7th house. So Venus controls all of this matter for you people. The Venus will be present in its exalted position after 27th of January. So after 27th of January, we can expect great result regarding your children's relationship matter. If you are married right now, you don't have children, we can expect good result for them. Also, if you are unmarried and also have sincere love relationship, then we can also expect great result for you people. You will have sharpness into your mental ability. Your mental ability will support you. You will get great result regarding your children's matter, regarding your fun activities, and your mental ability will be very supported due to presence of Venus in its exalted position after 27th of January. Jupiter is also about to come out from its retrograde motion. Jupiter will also suppress the negativity of Ketu into your 11th house due to aspect of fifth aspect of Jupiter from your 7th house to your 11th house Ketu. So we can expect good result after 27th of January for you people from Venus. Mars is right now moving in stabilization state into your 9th house. You have to be very careful regarding your teacher, your elders, your father figure in your life. There is also they may get some disturbance regarding your health related matter. But after 21st of January, Mars will move from a 9th house to your 8th house because Mars is right now moving into gate motion as discussed in previous monthly edition video. And Mars is stayed retrograde till 23rd of February 2025. But after 21st of January, when Mars will come out from its debutation sign, because right now Mars is moving into debutation sign in the sign of Cancer. But after 21st of January, Mars will move from your 9th house to 8th house. Then we can expect you may get some stability, but 8th house considered as a malefic house in astrology. You would need to be very careful till 23rd of February till Mars will come out from its retrograde state. But in this video, we are only talking about the 14th February 2025. About Mars, we will talk about later on next month's prediction video. So we can expect deep period for all the Scorpio people from 14 January 2025 till 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Sun is right now currently from your second house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from your ascendant to your second house around 14 January 2025. And Sun will stay into its second house till 13 February 2025. Sun controls your ninth house with your teachers, your mentors, your guidance, your higher education, your pilgrimages, your higher knowledge, wisdom, rules, regulations, your religious inclinations, religious knowledge, all of these things are seen from ninth house. So ninth house not something from your second house. We can expect a result regarding your savings, regarding your it matter regarding your food intake habits because Sun will illuminate the significance of your second house. After 24th of January, Mercury will move from your first house to second house and from your second house to third house around 12th February 2025. So major portion of this time period, Mercury will present into your second house in the sign of Capricorn and Mercury also will be in a combust position. You need to be very careful regarding your work related matter, regarding your job professional related matter, and your relationship related matter because Mercury controls your 10th house and your 7th house. And Mercury will be in a combust position into your second house in the house of speech. So there are chances you may indulge into some unnecessary argument during this time period out of anger, out of ego, because Sun represent ego and Mercury generally represent communication. Venus is right now moving from your third house in the sign in of Aquarius along with Saturn, and Venus will stay in your third house till 27th of January. After 27th of January, Venus will be in its exalted position into your fourth house in the sign of Pisces, because Pisces sign we consider as imperative sign for Venus. And for your chart, Venus controls your 11th house and the 6th house. Both the good houses means one naturally malefic house, but 7th Libra sign is occupied by 11th house. So Venus considered as beneficial planets for you people. So you will get great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your home, property, vehicles, comfort. If you are looking for buy a new house, property, or some comfort related item, then we can expect there will be a good result for all of these matters. Also, Jupiter is right now collecting from your sixth house and in the house of Venus, and Jupiter is about to come out from its retrograde motion around 5th February 2025. So after 4th February, we can expect there will be a good support for your work related matter, because Ketu is right now collecting from your 10th house after 30th October 2023. But Jupiter will come on from his great motion. We can expect some radio work. You will get some support and good result. Mars controls your fifth house and your 12th house, and Mars is right now moving debilitated state from your 8th house and also in its retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in last prediction video. Mars will stay retrograde till 23rd of February 2025. So you were facing many difficulties, many unexpected results from previous months, because Mars is moving into great motion. But after 21st of January, Mars will come out from its debilitation sign. From Cancer sign, Mars will move from your 8th house to your 7th house in the sign of Gemini. So after 21st of January, we can expect some relief. But still, you need to be very careful regarding your communication, regarding your relationships, and when you're dealing with your spouse till 23rd of February till Mars moving in retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius Indian people from 14 January 2025 till 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Sun is right now traveling from your first south from ascendant. And Sun is just moved from your 12th house to your first house around 14 February 2025. Sun will Sun will stay in your first house till 13 February 2025. So Sun controls your 8th house with your suddenity, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from 8th house. Respected gaze, your secretive activity, your brilliant work is also represented by 8th house. Hidden knowledge, your in-laws, all of these things are seen from 8th house. Certain good habits and certain bad habits. But this position will give you good result because Sun present in the sign of Capricorn and Sun perform very well in the sign of Capricorn. We can expect you will be focusing on your personality, on your health, and you may focus on your fitness during this time period, because Sun will eliminate the significance of your first house. And right now, Sun is starting from your first house. You may also get some unexpected good result during this time period. Just you to be take care of your ego battles with your spouse or your relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever you are have in relationship in journal. And when you're dealing with PUBG, because Sagittarius is right now in a limitation state. Mars is moving into your seventh house from the sign of Cancer sign, considered as limitation sign for Mars. So till 21st of January, till Mars is move from your second house to in backward motion, because Mars is moving to great motion, so Mars will move from your seventh house to sixth house on after the first January. We can expect you will face some relief regarding your ego battles, regarding your aggression. Mercury controls your ninth house and your sixth house. And right now, Mercury is moving from your 12th house in the side of Sagittarius. So Mercury will move from your 12th house to your first house on after 24th of January, and from your first house to your second house around 12 February 2025. So major portion of this time period, Mercury will be placed into your first house, but will be in a combust position. So you have to be very careful regarding your higher education if you are doing some postgrad education regarding your elders, regarding the superiors and your marriage method also. There are chances you may face some type of disturbance of ego better. That's why we were saying in Mars and some section you need to be very careful, especially till 21st of January. And after 21st of January, when Mercury will be in a tight condition with Sun into your first house, you need to be to avoid ego battles and aggression with your avoid ego backers and aggression in journal because Mercury will be in a combust position into your first house. Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is moving from your second house on the side of Aquarius along with Saturn. Tarot house will be your work, and fifth house will be children's, your relationships, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, etc. So this position will give you great result regarding your work related matter. Also, you will able to accumulate a lot of money, a lot of saving during this time period because Saturn already counting from your second house. Saturn make you save a lot of money because Saturn make you some type of somewhat meister because Saturn perform in that way to your second house. And Venus, which considered friend of Saturn right now transiting from the second house. And after 27th of January, when Venus would move from its second house to its third house in the sign of Pisces, then Venus will be in its exalted position. So after 27th of January, we can expect you will get great result regarding your workplace, but you may also get some increment, some promotion at your workplace. Also, your superior will be very supportive to you, and you may encounter some gains regarding your work matter and your children's and love relationship. Also, Jupiter right now moving in the house of Venus into your fifth house, and Jupiter will come out from its retrograde motion around 4th or 5th of February. So after 4th of February, we can expect you will be very energetic. You will perform very well into your education, into your matters. If you have children, then they will also perform very well in their life due to presence of Jupiter into your fifth house. And Jupiter will also aspect from your fifth house to your ninth house Ketu and suppress the negativity of Ketu into your life. All the Capricorns in from 14 January 2025 till 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about Aquarius Ascendant. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house. And right now, Sun is transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun is just moved from your 11th house to 12th house around 14th of January and will stay to your 12th house till 13 February 2025. Seventh house will be your relationships, your legal bindings, your agreement, things, your business partnership, etc. Your spouse is also seen from seventh house. So till your seventh house Lord is transiting on the 12th of, we can expect you may try to plan some travel with your spouse if you are married right now. Also, you may have some opportunities from foreign land regarding your business related matter if you are into some business related matter. Also, we can say if you are unmarried, then you may get good proposals from foreign land during this time period if you are looking for a spouse. Mercury is right now coming from your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius, and Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house around 24th of January, and from your 12th house to your first house around 13 February 2025. So, major portion of this time period, Mercury will be transiting from your 12th house along with Sun. And Mercury will also be in a converse position because Mercury will be moving too close to Sun during this time period. So, service credit goes to 8th house, your unexpected events, your secret, your loss, etc. And 5th house, your children, your love relationships, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fun activity, your mental ability. So, you may get aggression due to presence of Mercury in its combustion position. So, you to avoid aggression, you need to be focused on an education if you are in education life. Because when Mercury will be in combust position, you may face some type of lacking into your mental ability because Mercury will be in a combust position. Mercury controls your mental ability in your fifth house. Venus is right now directing from your first house along with Saturn in the sign of Aquarius. Venus is right now in a good position, means your ninth house lord and your second house lord or fourth house lord, sorry, your ninth house and fourth house lord is right now into your ascendant along with Saturn, and Venus as Saturn consider friends in astrology. So you will be facing many great results during this time period. But after 27th of January, when Venus will move from your first house to your second house, is exalted sign into your second house, because your second house is occupied by Pisces sign and Venus is considered as exalted in the sign of Pisces. So after 27th of January, we can expect great result for it. For you people, you will able to save a lot of money, and we can also expect some good event into your family and some family members. Also, there will be a many opportunities for you to save a lot of money because Rahu and Venus will be present into your second house and Venus will be in its exalted position. Also, we can expect great result for your speech related matter, for your gains and your food intake habits. Mars is right now moving in its debilitation state, also in its retrograde motion into your sixth house. And in our previous monthly prediction video, Mars is being retrograde till 23rd of February 2025. So in this video, we are only talking about till 14 February 2025. But after 21st of January, Mars will be moved from the 6th house to the 5th house because Mars is moving to great motion. So Mars will move in backward direction. And after 21st of January, Mars will come out from its debilitated state because Mars will come out from the sign of Cancer into sign of Gemini. So after 21st of January, we can expect some relief, but still you need to be very careful regarding your work related matter at your workplace and regarding your efforts related matter because Mars controls your work environment, all the matters related to your work. And third house, your efforts, your hard working ability. So there are certainly you may face some lacking or you may face some useless efforts scenario into your life due to presence of Mars in its retrograde motion till 23rd of February. So you need to be very careful where you are putting your efforts at your workplace and regarding all the matters of your work. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius and people from 14 January 2024 till 14 February 2025. Now let's talk about Pisces. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant people. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Sun controls your sixth house, and right now Sun is starting from your 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sixth house deal with your court case, your litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of work, your debt, your loans, your confront people who provide you services are also seen from sixth house. So your sixth house lord will be in a 11th house in the sign of Capricorn and will be stayed your 11th house till 13 February 2025. So we can expect great result for your work related matter. You may able to achieve good recognition at your work, whatever you are doing, whatever your work is. You will get some recognition, some increment, and superior will be very supportive during this time period. If you also, if you are in debt right now, you will be able to pay your loans back during this time period, and you will get great support from your friend circle and professional circle. Your elder brother and sister will be very supportive to you during this time period. Mercury is right now transiting from your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will stay into 10th house till 24th of January. After 24th of January, Mercury will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Capricorn and from your 11th house to your 12th house after 12 February 2025. So major portion of this time period Mercury will be into your 11th house along with Sun. So Mercury will be in a combust position. But being present into your 11th house, we can expect you will have great result regarding your gains related matter because Mercury controls your 4th house and 7th house and 4th house. 7th house will be to get together your relationships, your friend circle, professional circle is from 11th house.
Mercury being your 7th house and 4th house not present in your 11th house, we can expect great result regarding your comfort related matter, regarding your get together and friend circle related matter. Venus is right now moving from your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius along with Saturn, and Venus and Saturn considered friends in astrology. This position will prove very beneficial for you regarding your foreign related matter, regarding your long term investment. If your expenses will be suppressive during this time due to the presence of Saturn and Venus into your 12th house. After 27th of January, Venus will move from your 12th house to your first house into your ascendant. And Pisces sign considered an exalted type sign for Venus. So Venus will be in a very good position. Venus controls your third house and your eighth house. So eighth house will be your secretive activities, hidden knowledge, all the hidden treasure is seen from eighth house. Your treasure in a sense of knowledge or in real treasure is also seen from eighth house. Your in-laws related matter, your secretive activity. So you will get sudden unexpected gains regarding all of this matter. If you are into some astrology, some tarot card, etc., all of these things are represented by 8th house. So if you are into these things, then we can also expect great result for you people due to presence of Rahu and Venus into your first house. And after 27th of January, when Venus will be present in its exalted position, then we can expect great result for all the Pisces ascendant people. Mars controls your second house and your ninth house, and right now Mars is moving in stability state into your fifth house and also moving in retrograde motion. Mars will come out from its retrograde motion after 23rd February 2025, but after 21st of January, Mars will move from fifth house to your fourth house in backward direction because Mars is moving in retrograde motion. So after 21st of January, Mars will come out from its stabilization sign in the from the sign of Cancer and will be in the sign of Gemini. So after 21st of January, we can expect some support regarding your work related matter. Also, you will get great result regarding your property vehicle. If you want to make some construction onto your land, then we can consider as great position, great time period for these things because Mars represent construction and fourth house represent land. So we can expect great result regarding your property, vehicles, and all of these matter. But still, you need to wait till 23rd of February till Mars will come out from its retrograde motion. Also, Jupiter is about to come out from its retrograde motion around 4th of February 2025, and Jupiter is your ascendant lord and also controls your 10th house. So regarding all of this matter, after 4th February, we can expect great result, great growth, great opportunities for your work related matter also and for you people also. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people from 14 January 2025 till 14 February 2025. Our today's video monthly prediction of January from 14 January till 14 February 2025 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.